One of the reasons why I'm doing this video right now is that I don't have anything else to do. I took my gap year after graduating from high school last year's May. Like, it's been fun and all. There were so many things happening in my life ever since. But right now, like, June is just a very quiet month for me where I don't really do a lot of things. I'm trying to sort out the visa paper situation. I'm trying to see how much I can pack, what else I need to buy, and what else I want to learn, you know? I figured that maybe I would like to game up my videography skills a little bit. I added like a couple of traveling videos. Cause I feel like I really like talking to the camera, you know, I'm cool talking to the camera, cause I'm always cool talking to myself. That's what happens, kids. I told myself at the beginning of this week that I wanted to like do like a vlog throughout my entire week, you know, like what I do during the week, and then I didn't want to like film a lot. I only film when I'm bored. This is what happens. So on Monday we went to my brother's like end of school year ceremony sort of things. I filmed a couple of footages that I'm gonna insert right now. So on Tuesday, I went shopping a bit because I just got a new bike and I feel like I had the freedom to travel a bit more. I didn't get a lot, like nothing really fancy. I got a job at during May, and so I got a little bit of, you know, cha-ching right now. So it's like I wanted to buy some stuff because my washing machine unfortunately destroyed a lot of my white clothes and all clothes. So I went thrifting on Tuesday. I got two shirts, very cute shirt, can't show you right now. So this is one of the shirts. So I got two oversized t-shirts. I just like stopped buying oversized t-shirts for the past few years. When I was a kid, you know, like secondary school kid, I wore them a lot. And I was like, oh shit, it's like so out of style. Like I should wear like small shirts right now. It's like trendy, like the one that I wore previously. But for some reason, I just felt like it's about time that oversized shirt should take over the entire universe again. So I got this one little cutie, very cute. It's navy. Nothing very creative about this. I'm trying to put a lot of color in my closet, but as you can see in this video, not clearly. So very comfy, very cute design. And this one's very will win in a breeze. So that's good message. Everybody, if you're doing something, believe in yourself. Believe that you're gonna win in a breeze. This is very important. Okay, switch on to the next shirt. Okay, this is a white tee. Oh, another basic color. What the hell am I doing with my life? Yeah, a white tee. Ooh, how creative. Okay, so this is another very cute tee. Yeah, so I like graphic tees really, like with art on because they're artsy. This one is really cute. I'm gonna try and zoom in. This one is bell pepper, right? It's really cute. I wore it on a date yesterday and it was pretty fine. See, it shows that I'm quirky, that I like nature, I'm funny, and that I'm comfortable being me during these days because simply I don't have a lot of things to do. So except for like a couple of like work meetings, I'm just reading a lot. So I have a Kindle that is like too far away right now for me to get it, and I got some new books. So actually I have a lot of books that I haven't read on my Kindles, but a lot of them are like political books or like really or philosophical books that are like very heavy to read for me right now. So I'm reading a book on personal finance. Like I don't spend a lot of money, but I don't know how to control how I spend my money, if you get what I'm saying. And so I told myself I need to get my shit together. And I told myself this for the past year. And I never had a gut to do it. Actually, I tried really hard because I travel a lot, and then whenever I'm traveling, at the like first half of the trip, I'm like writing down every single shit that I paid for, and then I'm just like, fuck it, I was gonna get these receipts and then I'm gonna write them down later, but then I never really did, so I just ended up with a lot of trashes. You get what I'm saying? Yep. So I thought it was about time I got my shit together because I'm starting college pretty soon. I'm getting a job on campus. I know this is gonna pay tuition because it's just hella expensive, but I just want to know how it feels like to be. Yeah, also another book is about like lifestyle, more specifically Hugh, or the Danish way of living, which is awesome. I'm reading about candles and lamps, and yeah, for if you cannot tell right now, I am such a big fan for interior design. I got this lamp just because it has like a really huge factor. Like the light is yellowish. It's really cute. I don't light very often, but I got the lamp just because I like lamps a lot. And candles, I got fake candles around the house because I thought if I get real candles, then I'll like light my house on fire, because I would never remember to like turn them off. This is where I put my camera, on a stack of books. I'm a nerd.